Hello there. I'm Mark Johnson and our company Artisan Restoration. Spent another week at the Prairie du Chien log cabin restoration. I think this is week 7. I'm starting to lose track of it because we're a little overdue on our completion. But anyway, this week we sheetrocked the addition and insulated it, and next week we've got a plaster coming in who's going to do a kind of a traditional period appropriate trunk finish on the inside of that. So I was really happy to get a hold of somebody on short notice who knows what they're doing and doesn't have a disconnected phone number. So anyway, the inside we've started on the stairway. I got the landing done and a couple of steps going up to it. These are really thick treads here from some planks I got out of a building up in Eveleth, Minnesota. And the other work inside is we repaired the opening in the loft floor where the old stairway was, right here above me. We have to get some floorboards in there next week, but we got the floor joists in, and that's all done. The exterior has been almost completed. We got a few little spots to touch up, stain here and there, and then we're also working on the steps here, doing some footings for a landing and some stairs, and then we also got the sheathing done on the outside of the addition, and we actually covered up part of the logs too, because the window in this wall was not original size. It was enlarged, and instead of trying to cover it up and work with it, the curators decided that we should just run our siding from the addition all the way down to the middle of the cabin, and then we'll stop. And then that siding on the lower portion is going to be board and batten siding, and up on the top it's going to be a rabbeted 4-inch cedar lap siding, which really will look nice for the upper portion of it. Hopefully we get our windows in here soon, because we're not going to be able to do anything with the upper area until or the lower area until those things get here. So anyway, that's what we've accomplished for this week. So next week I'll get you some more information, and I hope you watch us then. Bye. You're just doing a two per log.
That's the toenail at the top, and then 2 per.
Okay. I don't bother putting these. You can't remove these. We won't.
They come out like that.
Yeah, but they're gonna fit awfully poor.
Sure. Well, you put a little sawdust and glue is what I usually do.
Well, don't put them in yet. I'd like to find something that's a little bit. I mean, I know they'll match perfectly.
They'll just be in this bag if you want them.
Yeah.
And the bag will be stapled to this.
Okay.
If we want those ones.
Yeah, I'd rather have something that's actually sticks out proud, and if they are a little bit different, that's fine, because they were different.
Okay.
So anyhow,
This will look nice.
see you next week.
Yes, sir. Drive safe. Have fun.
Oh yeah.